Okay, so I get a lot of questions about how I make my protein mug cakes that I like to make before bed. So I thought I would give my top tips for making my mug cake delicious, that I want to eat it every night before bed. So my first tip, or something that I like to focus on, is to not overcook my mug cake. So I, set the microwave in intervals, and I've come to the conclusion that mine and Derek's microwave sucks. So when I tell people the intervals that I use, they use it in their microwave and they really overcook theirs. So you need to find what works best for you in your microwave. I set mine for like 22 seconds, 30 seconds, and then I'll do intervals of like 10 to 15 seconds. But again, that's my microwave. So number one, I try not to overcook it, because like with anything, if you overcook it, it's gonna be dry no matter what. Number two, one thing I like to do when I'm done cooking it in the microwave that I did not overcook, I like to put some almond milk on top of it. 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond milk, low carb, low cal kind of thing. It adds in that extra moisture and yumminess. If you don't like almond milk, add in whatever milk you please. The third thing that I do, which I'm drawing a blank on, oh, yep, that's what it is. If I have an extra, carbohydrates to spare, or, I'm going a little crazy that night, I like to add in some dark chocolate chips, just a few. That, again, locks in some moisture and makes it extra yummy, scrumptiddly-umptious before bed. And then, of course, the protein matters, the quality matters. So if you guys know me, I like to bust out the big boys. I like level 1 protein for my baking protein. Ice cream sandwich is what I go with at night, and then I like to bake with the cinnamon cookie batter for some cookies. But I have found this ice cream sandwich flavor to be more versatile as far as baking goes. I can add some cinnamon in it if I want a cinnamon flavor. I can add some pumpkin in it if I want some pumpkin flavor, and then it makes great smoothies. Those are my top tips for making an on-point, protein mug cake. I call it my level 1 mug cake because that is the only protein I will use. I've tried it before with other proteins and it's nasty. So I'm gonna put the protein mug cake recipe in the description here so you have it. And if you need help with it anymore, just feel free to message me. I'm here to help you make a delicious protein mug cake, because it should be super simple, and eating healthy doesn't have to be nasty. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great evening and enjoy your protein mug cake.